Hey guys, welcome to this video, and in this video we are going to discuss about a product which is called as Chat4Kash. And before telling you anything about the product, let me make it very clear that I'm gonna earn some commissions if you buy the product from my link which is down below in the description. Because I'm referring you to the product creator, that is why he or she will incentivize me. In this case, it is a he, so he will incentivize me with certain commission. Okay, so with that note, let us start. Okay, and also without you having anything to pay extra for getting me commissions. Okay, so you do not have to pay anything extra, but I will get a commission from the amount you are gonna pay to buy the product. Okay, so with that note, let us start reviewing the product which is called as Chat4Kash, and we will discuss everything about this product, and I will give you tons of bonuses from my side, very customized bonuses from my side. Let me just give you an overview of what is the thing which I'm going to give you. So as you can see, this is the bonus number 1, this is the bonus number 2, and this is the bonus number 3. All of these are bonus packages. I have not given a single bonus, but I have packaged out in 3 bonuses, and I have categorized in particular groups. So there will be 3, but in 3 bonuses there will be around 31 bonuses entirely. Okay, so which is what I'm going to give you from my link, from my side, if you buy cash for Chat4Kash from the link which is down below. So with that note, let us start reviewing the product which is Chat4Kash, and we will discuss about this product and what this product is and everything. So let's get started. Hey guys, welcome to this product, and this product is called as Chat4Kash, as you can see right here. Chat4Kash, and you can send unlimited messages straight to the phones of 2 billion people at a low one-time price. So you can send this much amount of messages to 2 billion plus people at a one-time price. This is a game-changing software, WhatsApp software, which lets you blast any link to millions of people in seconds. So what this product claims is you can send a lot of messages to billions and millions of people. Is quite high, that is not going to happen, but you can send quite a lot of messages within a single click. That is possible if means if they are going to create a WhatsApp, some kind of a thing which will allow you to capture leads or contacts from various platforms, and then you can send those messages to those people. Then it is possible to send that much messages within a single click from any software, which is what they are claiming right here. This is a brand new system that is paying us for chatting on our phone. Okay, so let us see what they are claiming. We are guaranteed payments every time we open our phones. Guaranteed payments every time we open our phones. So you are going to open your phone and you are going to earn commissions, which is pretty much, I do not think that is possible. But let us see what else they are claiming. 1421 members already earning using the system. More than $980,000 paid out. Push one button, turn your phone notification into cash. Unlimited cloud-based WhatsApp messaging machine. Send any message with any link or offer to 2 billion plus people in 180 plus countries. 90% open rate from people glued to their phones. No contacts, they're gonna get leads for you. Unlimited free SSL encryption protection for you. Done for you affiliate offers to promote. Send any link to millions within one click. 100% UV friendly. 24/7 income stream started within 1 minute. Within 9 minutes. No monthly fees and double your money back guarantee. So what you are gonna pay to them to buy the product, if you do not make money, then you can get double of that amount back from them. Okay. So there are a lot of stuff in the sales page, but before showing you anything about this page any deeper, let me show you what you are gonna get from my side if you buy the product from me. Okay. So if you buy Chat4Kash from me, then this is my bonus page, as you can see right here. This is my bonus page just for Chat4Kash, And the thing which I'm going to give you is there is a funnel as well, which I'm going to discuss about a little bit later. But if you want to use this Chat4Kash app, then what is the thing you are going to make money from? You are going to make money from doing or promoting products. Okay, that system or the method is called as affiliate marketing. And if you want to go for this Chat4Kash app, then they are going to only tell you what to do and how to do, what to do. That simply press this button and your message will be sent. Get this product and your product will load to your message, and which is the thing which is called as you can see, what to do. Okay, but how to do and why to do it, and what is the thing you are gonna earn, and everything behind that system, it's called as affiliate marketing. And knowing affiliate marketing is a big thing which you first hand must know to promote any product out there, which is what I'm going to give you as my bonus number 1, which is complete knowledge regarding to affiliate marketing. As you can see right here, this is what I'm going to give you, and there are 16 affiliate marketing courses from my side. As you can see, $1 Million Toolbox, 6-figure influx, commission blueprint, $200 cash hack, $500 CPA every day, pure profit, and a lot of stuff. Okay, commission glitch, commission toolbox, all of these are affiliate marketing courses which I'm going to give you as my bonus to you. And all of these consist means valued around $700, and which is completely for free for you if you buy this product, which is Chat4Kash, from the link which is down below. Okay, you will land on this page. If you click the link in the down below, then you will land on this page. From this page, if you click on any of the yellow buttons, then you will land on this page, which is the Chat4Kash sales page. In this page, if you buy from any of these buttons, then all of these bonuses will be transferred to your account. Okay, so this was the bonus number 1. There is a bonus number 2 as well, which is the backbone of affiliate marketing. Okay, so what is the backbone of affiliate marketing? The backbone of affiliate marketing are the people who are going to buy your products which you are selling to them. So they are called as customers, they are called as visitors, they are also called as traffic. So the most popular terminology is traffic, and traffic is what I'm going to give you. Customers I'm going to give you as my bonus number 2. Okay, bonus number 2, as you can see, there are 6 traffic courses which will teach you and show you how to get traffic to your products. Okay, if we go breakout, the clones, if we go multiplier, bang profits, 0-hour work days, incognito, all of these are traffic courses which will definitely show you the best way to get traffic on to your affiliate products. Okay, which is what the bonus number 2 is from my side. And the bonus number 3 is still a very good product, which is very much very much close to my heart. Sorry, not this side, but this side, very much close to my heart. And this is the bonus number 3, which is 9 money making courses. You are gonna see a lot of strategies, a lot of things which you can do online to make more money from affiliate marketing and other stuffs as well online. Okay, which is the bonus number 3, which I'm gonna give you as my bonus. Everything you will get for completely free, and all of these bonuses will stay with you. If you even return the product and get double your money back from the Chat4Kash app, Chat4Kash software, which they are claiming that if you are not happy with the product, then you can get 2 times your money back from that product. So if you even return that product, all of these bonuses will stay with you for lifetime, and you will get access to it lifetime. Okay, it will stay with you. And so I think this is a fair deal. You can get this product. What you need to do is simply click on any of the yellow buttons and you will land on this page. From this page, Chat4Kash page, just click on the buy now buttons, and all of these bonuses will be transferred to your account. Okay, there is one catch as well. The catch is this time. Before this timer hits 0, you must grab this product, because after this timer hits 0, that is not my responsibility to get that product to you. But before this timer is zero, it is solely my responsibility to get this product to you. If you do not get that product, if you do not get that bonuses, then kindly contact me anywhere online, in the comment sections in the YouTube channel, or okay, so there is only one possibility, or also you can mail me from my YouTube channel email ID. You can mail me at that place as well, and still you will be getting these bonuses. I will send you all of these bonuses straight to your account. Even if you do not get the bonuses from here, then I will send you personally to your email ID all of these bonuses. Okay, do not worry about the bonuses. Before the summer is over, it is solely my responsibility to get the bonuses to you. Okay, so now let us see what this Chat4Kash app a little bit. So there are a lot of people making a lot of money through this. The best part is that it's 100% user friendly with zero work involved. If you have a phone or computer, a WhatsApp account, that is all you need. It's allowing us to pay from anywhere, get paid from anywhere, with no website, without having to sell anything. Okay, but it worked for beginner as well. Okay, there are a lot of stuff. There are a lot of people, verified users, Nigel Willis, Robin Richardson. All of these are the people who got means a little bit help from this app. Okay, so what are the steps you need to do? You simply log into your stunning cloud-based software. Then you need to do is let the app find red hot phone leads right away. They will find the phone leads, not had to find the leads. Then relax, it blasts messages and links, and you will make affiliate commissions on autopilot. Okay, this is the kind of a lifestyle you will enjoy after this product, which is what they are claiming. Okay, will not involve me in it, which is what they are claiming. If you do not find the product to be helpful, you can get a refund out of it. Others are already having success. Okay, so there are a lot of things you can see right here in the sales page. Okay, and let me just see what are the bonuses they are going to give you if you buy the product from them, means from me. Okay, the bonus number one is built-in masterclass to get you to $1,000 plus per month. Bonus number two is Chat4Kash commercial license. All of these bonuses will be given by the product creator to you. Okay, and so there are a lot of people out there as well who use this product, who are profiting with the product. Okay, so 100% this all of these total value is $10,620. but if you buy now, then you can get it at some lower amount or discounted price. So there is a money back guarantee of 30 days. If you do not feel like it, then you can get a 2 times your money back, as they are claiming. Now let us see the funnel strategy of this product, and what this product will give you. So before telling you about the funnel, let me make the funnel thing clear to you. So what is a funnel? The funnel is a kind of a thing which is the back-end product which is offered to this front-end product. Okay, so consider the Chat4Kash as a front-end product. Then you will be offered a lot of backstage products as well, which will just improvise the performance of this front-end product. Okay, which is what a funnel is. There will be a front-end product of $17, as you can see. Then you will get it at a downsell of $15. So how to get this $17 product at $15? Just when you are on this page, simply refresh this page and move your cursor toward the address bar. Then you will be offered a discount of $2 on this product. Okay, so that is how you can get it at $15. Then you are having an upgrade 1, and then at a downsell of 26. So it was 37. You can get it at 27. Upgrade 2, which is 37. Again, you can get it at 27. Upgrade 3 is a reseller, right? Okay, so there is a front-end product. Then upgrade 1 is a pro version of it. Upgrade 2 is the done for you version. Then you are having a reseller rights which is costing you $197. But if you reload the page and move your cursor to the address bar, you can get it at $97 only. Then the final upgrade is at $97 and you can get it at $167. Okay, which is what you can get. And all of these will be means very much easier for you if you buy the product. Means everything will be shown to you. If you when you buy the front end product, then you will be offered the bonuses, the sorry the not the bonuses but the uh, back end products after you buy the previous product. Okay, when you buy the previous product, you will be offered the next product, and next product, then the next product. You want to buy the product, you can buy, you can skip the product, you can skip, that is completely your choice. Okay, so do whatever you like. So I think it is pretty much clear now, everything I cleared you about this product. But if you're still having any doubts regarding to the product, kindly comment in the section down below. I will reply definitely in the comment section. And that is all about this video. If you have any questions, kindly ask. And so kindly consider subscribing to the channel, like this video, share this video with others, press the bell icon, and I will meet you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.